In this video I am going to show you 3 different tips to fly this flying spinner. The last one will blow your mind, so don't skip and watch full video. If you want to purchase this flying spinner, the link is given in our bio. Just click and purchase. Before you fly this flying spinner, make sure the battery is full charge and you need to charge it for around 15 to 20 minutes before you play. Now it's time to fly this bad boy. The first one is boomerang throw. For the first trick, you need to throw your flying spinner in 45-degree angle. And the second one is palm bounce. Here I will show you how to bounce in a palm. And the third one is most amazing one that will blow your mind and you will love it. Keep it airborne. Here you can see in the video. If you have any queries, just comment us on below, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share our video.